Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, they're kind of making like a wall decor piece here. And this is definitely a beginner friendly project. It looks so high end. Wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. And that would be like a great piece to add to your home as like wall decor. I love it. Mix it up with seasonal flowers. Very cool project idea. Ooh. So this next DIY is probably going to be an outdoorsy one. So they have some sticks here. So many crafting ideas you can create with sticks. Sticks, leaves. Oh, she has some pom-poms. Oh, wow. So they made a nice little vase. I like how she put the pom-poms on the sticks. Nice and simple. Also very beginner friendly. And then here we have someone doing a furniture flip. So these pieces definitely look like items from Ikea. And I really kind of like this olive green color that she has. Very different. Oh, she's painting over that. Oh, she did black. Oh, I like this even better with black and gold. Oh, okay, I am in love with that. I don't think it matches her aesthetic though. Like, I think maybe she should have did tan, because like her other decor pieces in her space just don't really go with that. So here we have someone doing an Ikea hack challenge. So she has some blocks here. She's kind of playing around with them, creating a little shape that she wants, and then spray painting them. Oh my goodness, this is such a cool idea. So one person made artwork with their pieces, and she made like this cool little lighting system or lamp. Wow, that was really inspiring. Who would have thought? Just blocks from Ikea in the children's section. Grab them, spray paint them, do what you want with them. I love that idea. So we have someone here taking some wooden pieces and then putting foil of them, spray painting them. And it looks like they're doing like some Z Gallery inspired, candle holders. Wow, that is so cool. Very impressive. So we have some red spray paint here. Oh, they're making polka dots. And then they're putting in the fairy lights. Oh, they're making some type of lamp. Oh, wow. They're doing the mushroom trend, I think. And they're doing like a literal mushroom. Oh, this is cool. Wow, that is so cool. I love the multicolored. I've never seen that before. Usually it's just white. That is really nice. Oh, looks like she's making some shelving. Oh, wow. Oh, she definitely knows what she's doing. This is definitely not a beginner-friendly project. I always like to mention that just in case anybody tries to attempt to do these. But wow, she did an amazing job with this. Right over the sink so she can hang like everything that she wants to hang up over her sink. I love that idea. So then we have a trash can here. I think they sell these at the dollar store. So she's like molding it, shaping it. Wow. Looks like she's making like a fruit basket maybe, or a vase. I don't know. Oh, it's for her coffee pods. That's cute. I kind of think she should spray paint that though, just to make it look a little bit more like high end. Because just leaving it white, it just kind of looks boring to me. Okay, so someone has some type of planter here and they're just cutting into it. Oh, they cut it in half. Spray painted gold. Adding in some cardboard. Oh, this is like another wall vase. Oh, that's cool. Wow, I like this version even better than the other one. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.